Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Learn and Grow. Food Quiz Part 4. Black Forest cake was originated from which country? The right answer is option B, Germany. The American restaurant chain Domino's is popular for which food item? The right answer is option D, pizza. Which is the hottest pepper in the world? The right answer is option A. In which country was ice cream invented? Ice cream was invented in China. When did the first Starbucks open? The right answer is 1971. What is the national dish of Canada? The right answer is option A. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye-bye.